Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a member and owner in a plan in Microsoft Planner. This is particularly useful when you need to delegate administrative responsibilities or give someone full control over a specific plan, and it's worth noting this is a premium feature from Microsoft. Start by opening your Microsoft Planner. Open a browser window and type in planner.cloud.microsoft in the address bar, then hit enter. This will take you directly to the Planner login page. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft credentials at this point. Make sure you're using the account that has owner permissions for the plan you want to modify. Once you've successfully signed in and your Planner interface is loaded, you'll need to navigate to the specific plan where you want to make changes. From the left navigation menu, click on My Plans. This will display a list of all the plans you currently have access to or own. Browse through this list and select the plan you wish to modify. Click on it to open the Plan Overview page. Now that you're on the Plan Overview page, look at the top part of your screen where your Planner view options are located. You'll see a three-dot icon, which represents additional menu options. Click on this icon and an additional menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on People. This option is specifically designed to manage who has access to your plan and what level of permissions they have. Clicking on People will let you select from a list of people under your contacts or Microsoft Teams. Here, you can assign a new owner for this planner. Remember, as I mentioned at the start, this is a premium feature from Microsoft, so you'll need to ensure your organization has the appropriate license to access this functionality. From this list, simply select the member you want to promote to owner status, and they'll gain full administrative control over the plan. And that's it. You've successfully made a member and owner in your Microsoft Planner plan, giving them the ability to manage the plan alongside you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.